pops on fast and sometimes it's slow. So usually I show you guys this stuff before it comes out, and I apologize, I just didn't have time. Jeremy surprised us with a vacation. I didn't know when we were leaving at all until the day before, and I have a real estate client who's having a hard time finding a house to buy, so I'm showing houses almost every single night, and I didn't get a chance to show you guys what this looks like. But good news, it's still available, so no big deal. If you were on the sample list, if you were on the monthly mailer list, your monthly mailer went out today with your sample in it, so those will be coming too. Good to go. So let's talk this month's warmer and scent of the month. There are 2 warmers this month, which is awesome. So we'll talk about those, but first let's do the scent. The scent is called Jade and Jasmine. Remember, these are brick. They're huge. Consultant perk. This one smells, I do not have the technical description with me because all of my descriptions went out in the mail. Here, you ready? This is what it smells like. Quick. It smells like Irish Spring soap. It's sexy, clean, man, Irish Spring soap. That's exactly what it smells like. Sexy, clean man out of the shower. That's 100% what it smells like. It's really, really good. I don't really know any other way to describe it except sexy, clean man and Irish Spring soap. Like, that's to me what it smells like. It is a very strong scent too, but it's a really nice change from all of the heavy that we just got through with the Christmas scents and stuff. So it is a very, very nice, almost cleansing scent. Sexy man smell. That's what it smells like. Jade and Jasmine. Sexy man. So let's talk these warmers. So not only do we have 2 warmers this month, it's available in 3 colors. Now, you're about to get thrown a lot of information. 2 warmers, 3 colors. The colors are gold, silver, and rose gold. When gold and silver sell out, they're gone. They're just gone. You can't get them anymore, okay? Gold and silver sell out, you're out of luck. If rose gold sells out, you can do a pre-order and still get it at a later date. But if gold and silver sell out, they're gone. So if you want gold or silver, I highly suggest that you get them before the end of the month. As a consultant, we had a choice as to which color to get, and I did a poll in the group, and it was a tie between rose gold and silver. So I'll be honest, I literally closed my eyes and I scrolled, and I clicked, and I didn't know what I was getting until it came. So I ordered silver. I didn't know. It is the etched core warmer, but it's a little bit different. So etched core is a beautiful, simple warmer all on its own in normal times. It's like a, I don't want to say ceramic. Can't think of what the word is. Like a pottery type warmer. So it usually has, when it's normal, not right now, normally it'll have a very, very pretty glow to it. But since these are colored, it does not have the glow like the normal etched core does. It'll still have your light holes. So there's still a little bit of glow. Look at that. Bam, look at that light shining off of that. This is your silver mini. It is a bright, shiny, beautiful silver color. So this is your mini warmer, meaning it's going to sit on your base and plug into your wall like that. It is beautiful. I personally think this one will be so pretty for a bathroom, because we don't honestly carry, I feel we don't honestly carry like a ton of neutral plain warmers. And to me, that's what this is. This is a very neutral, plain, granted it is silver, but it's just a very simple warmer. So silver mini, it is 10% off this month. So it's going to be $18 is what your cost is going to be for that. It's pretty. Remember, gold, silver, and rose gold are the available colors in this mini, and then also in the big one I'm about to show you. I'm not going to plug them in because there's really nothing to see. The light is going to come out the light holes, and there's hardly any glow to it, so it's not like amazing, you know, that way. They're still very, very pretty, but there's really no reason for me to plug them in. So then also available is the big, what we call the tabletop warmer, meaning it sits flat on your table, not the plug-in. And again, this one is in silver. And again, it's going to look the exact same as the other one, just bigger. It is also on sale this month. I want to think, but don't quote me on it, I want to think it's $27, but I don't know. Don't quote me. I don't know. I just went shopping with Case, so my brain's free. So there's your silver. Now, it is not plastic. It is ceramic, so it is not like some cheapy little plastic warmer. The silver on it is super shiny and super pretty. Very elegant looking. And this one's got holes. As you can kind of see, it's got little holes, but it is all over the warmer. Where the mini just had holes up top, like bigger ones, this one has holes all over. You can see them on the inside. So you're going to get a glow from those holes. I just love it, like when I move it and then the light hits off of it. So very, very pretty, elegant and sleek, fancy. Now I wanted to show you this. If we don't have these anymore, but some of you guys have been around for a while, if you still have wraps, when etched core came out originally, it was to take these things. These are called wraps. They went over the warmer, and we had a couple other ones that it goes over the warmer and it like dresses them up so that you could change them. We had them for different holidays and things like that, but we don't carry these anymore. Occasionally you can find them in the clearance section for like $5 or something. They were a really awesome thing, but apparently we didn't have that many people who bought them, so we discontinued them. But like I said, occasionally you can find them, but they do fit on this warmer. So this would change the look of this one. Is called Ranger. Again, you can't purchase them unless you do it for me. I have two. So this is Ranger, and it just slips right over top. It's got a little cutout on the back for your cord. With it not having a whole lot of glow, it doesn't change the look totally, but it kind of does. So that's what that one's going to look like over it. Again, if you have any of these wraps, they will fit right over top of your etched core warmer, including this one. So I've got one more I'll show you just so you can kind of see what it looks like in case you do have any of those wraps. It is very pretty, Jennifer. It's different. I think it's elegant. Like I said, I think it's kind of a classy warmer. All right, this wrap is called Dragonfly. Again, not available for purchase unless you know a consultant. Are y'all catching my drift there? All right, so that's what this one looks like. Super simple. We're gonna put it over there. Oh, okay, so yeah, you could totally stick it over that then. Like it should fit then. So that's what this one looks like with the wrap on it. Again, the Dragonfly, I will message you. Again, you can't buy the wraps anymore unless you know a consultant, but occasionally they do pop up in the clearance section. Casey, I will message you when this is done. But this is what the Dragonfly one looks like. Again, it just classes it up just a little bit different, makes it a little bit different, and then it makes it easy to change out. If you, for instance, get tired of the Dragonfly or you're tired of the silver, you could change it. It's not, I don't carry them anymore on occasion. On occasion, you will find them. Like the box, that tells you how old these are. This is what the box looks like. These are old school, sitting around for a while type of deals. So that one is on sale, like I said, $27. When silver and gold are gone, they are gone for good. Say goodbye, no coming back, no pass go, do not collect your dogs. They're gone, 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 gone. So if you like the silver or you like a gold, get with me so we can get you ordered. If you like the rose gold, and when the rose gold sells out, that one will be available for pre-order, where you do like the $10 now and then you'll get it at a much later date. Like that's how that one will work. But very pretty, big or little. You do not have to buy them together. You can purchase each one separately. So that gives you options. it's $18 for a mini warmer, dude. No brainer. Like, to me, that's really a cheap price. It's great, perfect, and you can dress this up or even hide it, because the simplicity of them, I think, allows you to kind of stick it in the back of your decor, so that you still have scent, but it's not like, kabam, look at my warmer. Like, sometimes we have some warmers that are very much showstoppers and they take up the whole front. You know what I mean? Like, they stand out and they want to be in the front of the room, and that's cool. But sometimes people want, or you have a space that needs something that's just kind of in the back, that's in the background, still beautiful, still elegant, but fits. And that's what I think these warmers are this month, is more of like, fits the space perfectly, and it's in the background doing its job, but not taking up center stage, if that makes any sense to anybody. But that's what I think. That's kind of where I'm at. Like, some warmers, and we have beautiful warmers, and some of them really do call to be right there in the front. That's fine. That's totally fine. But sometimes you want a warmer, but you don't want a showstopper warmer. You don't want it in the front. You want it to be kind of hidden, or you want it to be in the back, or you just have like a little space on a table that needs just something little. And that's kind of what, to me, what these warmers are this month. The dish, I almost forgot that, remember? The dish is white with the beautiful trim that's going to match your warmer. And we are at a 4-cube dish. You can't really see it. You can't see the numbers tonight, but it says 4, I promise. 4-cube dish. Remember, it's up to you. It is. It's the regular edged core warmer is simple and beautiful. The difference is the glow. Regular edged core has a stunning glow. Beautiful, subtle, but just warm glow to it. These do not have that glow. They have the light, but they do not have that glow, and that's just due to getting that silver or gold or rose gold color on them. But 2 warmers, both 10% off this month only. Also, wax is 10% off this month, including the 3-pack and the 6-pack. Those are both 6% off. Those are both 10% off this month. So if you need to stock up with anything, the discontinued list has also come out. I will start breaking that down on Monday. You guys know how I work. We're going to take it down piece by piece by piece by piece. And Monday we'll start talking about all the scents that are leaving, and we'll go through it all. The scent of the month, again, Super Sexy Clean Man Irish Spring. That's what this smells like. Clean Man, out of the shower, super good body wash, not Axe body wash, but like a super good manly body wash. That's what it smells like. It's nice. Nice, 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 nice. So I think that's it. I think I'm gonna go eat and work on some work stuff in bed, because it's just been nutso, and I had to take yesterday and just regroup, because it's been a lot for the past like 3 weeks. It's just been a lot. Every day has been nonstop busy. Right before, just to tell you guys, right before, so we left on vacation the 24th. Woke up the 23rd. Was it? No, the 22nd during the day. Case goes to get pizza rolls out of our freezer, and I'm like kind of like tossing them to her like that. And next thing I know, there's like purple all over my floor. And I'm like, what in the world is all of this purple on the floor for? And a popsicle leaked all over everything. I didn't think anything of it. I thought, okay, it popped, you know, sometimes they do that, whatever. And then Case was like, these pizza rolls are soft. I'm like, are you kidding me? This was on the 22nd. And I was like, son of a... So we have a chest freezer, thank goodness. So I moved all of the stuff from the little freezer into the chest freezer. And we're like, okay, we'll deal with this later. Like, not a big deal. Then we find out also the fridge isn't working. So we move everything from the fridge to the freezer, because the freezer was cold enough but not keeping things frozen, but not cold. The fridge wasn't cold enough. So I moved everything from the fridge to the freezer. Go to bed, wake up on the 23rd. Jeremy surprises us and says, guess what? We're going to open up Christmas presents right now. So we open up Christmas presents, and we have Christmas on the 23rd. Then he's like, okay, guess what? We better go buy a new fridge. And if you've tried to buy anything for appliances, you can't. You can't buy appliances right now. Nobody has them. So we found Rick's in Hillsboro had appliances. So we were like, we're going to go and we're going to take care of it. So Jeremy and Case went to go buy a fridge. I had a house closing on the 23rd. My client gets in a wreck on their way to the closing. Jeremy and Casey are at home, putting in the new fridge, installing it, water lines, the ice line, all that, hooking all that up, switching all the stuff from one fridge to the other fridge, getting it organized. I'm at the closing. The client gets in a wreck on the way to closing, and then I come home and I have to pack. And then we left bright and early the 24th. It was crazy several days. So yesterday I had to take a minute and just like regroup and just get my mind right and take a minute. Granted, I was on vacation for a week and it was nice, but then when you get home, you're just kind of like, ugh, like I'm home. So I'm back and ready. If you have any questions, if you need anything, let me know. And what?
Say hi.
You're gonna say hi? I was just talking about you and how you had to help switch the fridge over and everything right before we left. You can say hi.
Hi.
Why do you talk like you're 4?
Hi.
Okay, what are you saying?
Hi.
Nobody cares. Alright, we're gonna go. Okay? So I can go eat. I haven't ate yet. Did you eat all your food? Alright. Bye. Oh, I can't. Push a button. Turn it off.
No.
Okay.
Get off of me.
Child abuse.